Hey, how's it going, honey?
Hi.
Hey, you want to say hi to everyone at Jazz Family?
Hi, Jazz family. Welcome back to one of our unboxing, videos, right, Johnny? You said you had
Unboxing.
something for me.
Well, yes, and I have to say it did come from your dad. He wanted to give you an early birthday present, and just so hopefully I can show that I'm trying to be a good husband by remembering very important dates. Your birthday is November 3rd.
Yes, it is.
Yep. And it's not November 3rd yet. We're in October, October 12th. But it's soon. So your dad just wanted to give this present early. You ready?
Hey, yes, come here, present.
Here you go.
Ooh, it's a coffee maker.
It's a Keurig.
Did you try to unwrap it?
Oh, come on. Would I do that?
Maybe.
But you know what you're also going to need?
What?
This.
I need that? See where it starts. Oh. Oh.
It's a blade.
Well, I know it's a blade, but somebody gave me, it didn't go up. There you go.
Whoop.
It's a cup. Let's get brewing.
Okay, let's get brewing.
Shall we see what is inside?
Definitely. So far, it's your instruction manual packet, it seems.
Yeah.
Probably with brochures and warranties and things
On
like
how
that.
to do it.
Yep.
Oh, and a coupon for more.
Can you show them at the folks at home one more time? The coupon?
Where's this one?
There you go.
Da-da-da.
All right. And what else is in that
And that one.
packet of yours?
It has a coupon for coffee, apparently.
Can I see that coupon?
Yeah. It has what, like $3 off?
Here we go. Okay.
$3 off. Okay, so we'll put this on the side and on the side.
Whoop, right there. Okay.
The only thing I see sticking out is a plug.
Mmm.
Oh,
Does it only have a plug?
I don't know. Oh, there's a carton. Maybe it's a transmission.
I'm going to take the choo-choo train.
Chugga chugga choo choo. Okay, let's carefully take it out. Let's see, does it have anything else?
It looks like a big toy.
Okay, it has nothing else, so
There goes the
away.
box.
Go away, box, go away. Okay, ready to reveal it?
Bum 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 bum
Ready?
bum 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 bum. Wow, nice.
Johnny, did you buy me some tea? Or something to go in it?
I thought that
You forgot it.
did.
I guess we'll have to buy them tomorrow.
We will be right back. You mean these?
These? I see lemon ginger tea. I guess we could try them out.
Ah, they're teas.
Yep.
Now, do you like tea or coffee better? What?
I'm more a tea person. Johnny's more a coffee person.
I do like a coffee now and then.
Like pumpkin spice. Johnny, if you had to choose a coffee, since you're a coffee person, would you... Oops. Not that one. Where did the pumpkin spice go? Here it is. Pumpkin spice or caramel cream.
Okay, hold it right there. I would probably go with pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice?
Yep. Now, what about for you with the tea? Which one would you...
Well, there's only one, but I do want to try the
There's
raspberry.
only one.
Yes, there's lime and ginger, but I'm going to try...
Can I see that lemon ginger? Aha.
I do want to try the raspberry one we found when we were looking.
Aha. Yes. Well, I'm sure there's all kinds of different teas that we could find for this Keurig. And what about features on the Keurig? What we show them what maybe the sides look like and
well, they only have 3 buttons.
Okay.
So they have the teeny cup, the medium, and the travel mug.
Aha, there we go.
Now we should test it out if it works.
Yes, we should. Would you like to?
Yes. Now find me some water.
Okay, I'm off to find you some water. Okay.
So babe, did you find the water?
I did. Would you like some water?
How many water bottles will go in here? One.
All right. So it looks like you put the water in the back.
Mm-hmm.
It's very invigorating watching you pour water into a basin. And then she drinks some for her. That's the pre-tea
Yes.
drink, right?
Yes, it's refreshing. Now, Johnny, did you find me a cup?
A cup to
You
drink
brought
your
the
tea?
water. You were in the kitchen. Did you bring me a cup too?
I can get you one.
So, did you find it?
Mm-hmm.
I get an owl.
Yeah.
Oh, I found one more sticker. So it goes on. Hey, Johnny moved. I'm Johnny. Haha.
No.
Okay, so got a mug. We're gonna be testing it. Oh, forgot to put on the power. Johnny.
Which one were you choosing?
Johnny.
Yeah?
It sounds like maracas.
She's about to drink some coffee. Wait, she doesn't like coffee, so she'll be drinking tea. Probably when I was thinking of coffee. I'm sorry, hon. I was thinking of me.
Yes, you were.
You pushed the button.
Yes, it's heating it up.
And then she's gonna put the tea in. I'm sure most of you at home have seen a Keurig before and know how it works.
Squish. Okay. What size do you think it is, Johnny?
I would say it's probably, we're gonna have to go with medium.
It's probably heating up. It's waiting to be heated up. Hey, drink out the water. Oh, no. Now it lights up.
Aha, that's not a nice feature.
Now let's see. Does it start going?
Houston, we have a problem.
What?
Your Keurig is sleeping.
How dare it sleep?
We might have to look at the manual.
No, it's coming. You're naughty.
So probably the lesson here, folks, is make sure it's heated up before you...
If you want a very fast coffee or tea, leave the water in and let it be plugged.
Yep. Now it's heating up. I like the color, and I don't know how many, I can't remember how many videos we put out of different things that we bought for the house, but I wonder if they know what our one of our house colors is.
I don't think we really talked about it. And if we did, we probably forgot to post it. Apparently it decided to sing for you guys.
I didn't know that there was cartoon characters in your Keurig.
I guess there is. They're going.
They're laughing like chipmunks, and there's motorcycles in there. All right, well, I guess we now also learned lesson 2, that that was for a medium mug. And this must be a large one.
Johnny, there's like nothing in there. I guess this was the large mug, Johnny. Tommy.
Well, this is about to squirt out again. You might want to be prepared in case it happens.
I don't think so.
Then why does it sound angry?
Because it's
You
saying,
took me too early. Well, at least you got a decent amount of tea in that cup. So the question would be then, do you know, can you think of something that would be good to have with your tea?
Johnny, do you have something for me that you're hiding?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Ferrero Rocher. My favorite. How sweet of you.
Let me make sure that I blow on it for you. And here's your tea.
With the macaron. So hot. Ow.
Careful.
I think I'm gonna let mine cool for a little.
I didn't have enough blowing steam for you. Sorry, hon.
No, you didn't.
Well, let's give a quick minute here, and once it cools down.
And munch away.